the video I've been making on infrastructure as code. Looks like our SAM's prod stack has finished creating. So let's look at stack info. Everything looks fine. Events. You can see the status create complete. Let's see the outputs. This is the load balancer. This is the stack, task definition, and these are the parameters. So if I check this load balancer IP, we should see the first page. Yeah, so you can see that this is fine. This is actually in the code which I bootstrapped. Let me show you that part, right? So infrastructure as code, deployment is also at time. So if we look at the stack, this is the stack that was created. Service is running 2 containers. This is the instances that was created, and also we have the load balancer here. If you look at the autoscaling group that was created, so this is the autoscaling group. Minimum is 1, maximum is 3, desired is 2. So as all, we have our infrastructure deployed using CloudFormation as code. I could repeat this same deployment on another AWS account and keep going. That's the beauty of using infrastructure as code. Thanks for watching.